Hello everybody, I'm making today the cilantro lime salad dressing, and I'm going to start with my little food processor. I have a jalapeno pepper here. I don't think I'm going to put the whole jalapeno. Maybe I'll just put half. So I'm going to start with just cut it up a little bit and I'm going to throw it in there. Okay, we're going to put 4 garlic cloves in there. I'm going to just take the peel off and just put them in there. Okay, here they go. 4 garlic cloves. Okay, and ginger, we're also gonna cut a piece of ginger and put it in there, like almost a teaspoon of ginger. Okay, I'm gonna put that little chunk of ginger in there. Okay, so here we go. Put ginger in there, and now we're gonna chop everything up. Let's turn this on. Okay, we gotta make sure that the jalapeno is the fine chop. So I'm gonna add a tiny bit of olive oil, just a tiny bit, to help it along. Break the edges here. Okay, so we're gonna add 2 limes, the juice from 2 limes. Okay, it's approximately a 1/4 cup. I'm gonna add that in there, and I'm gonna add 1/3 cup of honey. I'm just gonna eyeball this. The 1/3 cup, I'm just gonna eyeball it here. I would say that much. Okay, and 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar. 1 and 2. We're also going to add salt. Let me pour it in my hand. About that much salt. Okay, so let's just combine this in the food processor for a little bit. Okay. Now, we got a whole bunch of cilantro here. We're not gonna add all this. 1/4 cup of cilantro, well packed. So this is gonna be my 1/4 cup, well packed. Try to take off some of the little stems if you can. Okay, there it is. Then the cilantro's in there. Now we're going to start chopping again. This I'm going to measure is 1/2 cup of olive oil. There it is, 1/2 cup. So I'm going to just drizzle it little by little, and then mix it or blend it. Okay, now we're going to add some more. Okay, and now the last little bit that's left of the olive oil, I'm going to add it. And I'm dying to taste it. I've never tasted this before. It's my first time making it. But it was recommended to me by a friend. Okay, I think that should be good. Everything is well combined. Oh, wow. It looks really good. Well combined everything. And of course the cilantro It's chopped, but there's little pieces of cilantro, which makes it awesome. I'm gonna taste it and I'm gonna tell you how this is. Let's see here. It's delicious. It's kind of sweet. I mean, there's so many flavors. The cilantro, you can taste a lot of the honey. The balsamic vinegar, it's like really stands out. The jalapeno is not really that strong. And the ginger, I taste more the ginger than the jalapeno. But it is excellent. Excellent. I'm going to leave it like that. I'm not going to add anything else to it. Okay, and let me pour it somewhere else. So I hope you like this recipe of the cilantro lime dressing. Please watch the video of the salad, which goes great with this dressing. Or should I say, this dressing goes great with that salad. And please don't forget to subscribe and watch my other video. You have a nice day and may God bless you and keep you safe. Goodbye.